plastic bags and how they affect the environment. Plastic bags are used every day in supermarkets, stores, and markets. When we go shopping, we usually receive many plastic bags. Most people use them only once and then throw them away. The problem is that plastic doesn't disappear quickly. In fact, a plastic bag can take hundreds of years to decompose. This means that the plastic we use today will still exist in the future. Many plastic bags end up in the streets, rivers, and oceans. We can carry them easily because they are very light, and as a result, they become a serious environmental problem. Plastic pollution is growing every year, and if we don't change our habits, the situation will become worse.
Do you know the plastics bags are a very important issue for the environment? So, why is this a problem? First, we start with marine food. Some animals like fish and turtle think the plastics bags are food, and when they eat it, they could be get sick or even worse, they could be die. This is a problem. But another problem is when plastic bags it's accumulated. It's compilations in it could be rivers or the oceans. When there's too much of these plastic bags, they contaminate and affect the quality of the water. As the same form, they could be affect the marine's lives. Another problem is the microplastics. This is a very tiny particles of plastics. Some fish can eat it and get into the food chain. And when a person catch the fish and eat it, the person also have the microplastics inside him. And of course, he don't know it about. That is a problem with our say it's a problem environment all the persons specific in this country.
Hello, my name is Alison Palma, and how I'll talk about the possible solution to this problem. Even though plastic pollution is a serious problem, there are solutions. First, we can reduce the use of plastic bags. Instead of accepting plastic bags at the supermarket, we can bring reusable bags made of cloth. Second, we can reuse plastic bags at home instead of throwing them away immediately. Third, governments can create laws to reduce plastic production and promote recycling. Education is also very important. If people understand the impact of plastic pollution, they will make better decisions. Small actions can create big changes. If each person reduces their plastic use, we can protect our planet for future generations. In conclusion, plastic bags are convenient, but they cause serious damage to the environment. If you change our habit and use reusable alternatives, we can reduce pollution. The planet is our home and it is our responsibility to protect it. Thank you for listening.